Mr. D snore. Mr. D had a terrible snore. It flew through the classroom door. It bounced past the bags. It swirled around the flagpole. It crept into the library. It jumped over the books. It roared past the librarian. It rumbled back into the classroom.